Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Farah's channel where learning English is fun. Making paper cup telephone. So class, today we're going to be making very traditional toys for children, which is paper cup telephone. It's very easy to make and fun to be played with your friends. Here are the things that you need. Please get yourself 2 paper cups, 2 meters of string, 2 paper clips, and a pin. This is how you make it. First, use the pin to make a hole in the center at the base of the cup. Then insert the string into the hole from the bottom of the paper cup. Tie the paper clip to each end of the string from the inside of the cup. Now you can talk with your friend using your paper cup telephone. Make sure your string is stiff so it can deliver your voice well. Easy, isn't it? Now you can make your paper cup telephone at home. Thank you guys for watching.